Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now let us discuss one example on discrete probability distribution, which is a Poisson distribution because it is mentioned here. A shop has 4 diesel generator sets which it hires every day. The demand for generator set as on the average is a Poisson variate with a value 5 by 2. Obtain the probability that on a particular day there was no demand at all. Second, a demand had to be refused. First, try to understand what this example says. There is a shop where diesel generators are available, and that shop owner has 4 diesel generator sets with him, and every day he provides that generator set on a rent basis to others. Okay, the demand for a generator set is on the average is based on Poisson distribution of value 5 by 2. Means what? The mean of this example becomes 5 by 2 here. Means from the data, what it says, the mean m will be what? That is nothing but m is nothing but a mean of a demand for a generator becomes 5 by 2, that is nothing but 2.5. So m is equal to 2.5, means mean is 2.5, means on the average of 2.5 generators are taken by other people on their rent basis. So that is the average, but he has 4 generator sets. Okay, so obtain the probability that on a particular day, one day to be taken, on that particular day there will be no demand for a generator. There was no demand at all, means nobody comes to take a generator. Second is demand to be refused. Demand to be refused means what? He has to say that no, I cannot provide you the generator because I don't have supply, I don't have a required number of generators with me right now. He has 4 generators. There is no demand at all, means what? Nobody comes to take a single generator also. All 4 generators are with him only. Second case says the demand had to be refused, means what? More than 4 people will come to take a generator. So afterwards he said that no, I don't have any generator with me, so I cannot provide you, sorry for that. These are the 2 different cases in this. For that the mean is 2.5. so this is quite easy because he said it's a Poisson variate. We need not check it out, the things directly we need to calculate it. Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is given by e raised to minus m raised to x divided by x factorial, and here we know that m is nothing but 2.5. so it is e raised to minus 2.5 into 2.5 raised to x divided by x factorial. That becomes probability of x for a calculation purpose. Fine. So this is the case. Then we take case wise one by one. The first case says no demand for a generator. Fine. No demand for a generator means what? The probability of x is equal to 0. No demand. No demand means what? X. Nobody comes to take that. So x is equal to 0. Then probability of x is equal to 0. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 0 means if you put x equal to 0 here, then I'll be getting e raised to minus 2.5 into 2.5 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial. If you calculate this, then we will be getting 0.082085 will be the answer of no demand. Means what? In terms of percentage if you take, then it becomes 8%. Means 8.2% of the chances are there that nobody will come to purchase. When it is a shop, when he is having 4 generators, this kind of situations are very rare that nobody will come to take. Okay, if it is a like this right now the situation is going like a lockdown, so that time nobody will come to take. So that is of 8% chance. If there is a band, there is a lockdown or anything, any problem, so that time the demand will not be there. That chances is only 8% because he is a businessman. Every day it won't happen with him. So there is a chance of only 8%. So second we take. Second case is the demand had to be refused. When the demand can be refused, he has 4 sets. If 4 people come and if you take, he can provide. More than 4 members comes, then he cannot provide. So that is the situation. If a demand had to be refused, this is the situation. Demand has to be refused means what? There should be more than 4 demands. Okay, there should be more than 4 demands, then only he can refuse, otherwise he will provide that. Fine. Means what? It is a probability of X will be more than 4, even not more than or equal to 4. If it is equal to 4, he can provide. If it is more than 4, then only he cannot provide. So this has to be calculated. So probability of X more than 4 means what? How many people will come? We don't know. More than 4 means there may be 5 people come for a demand, or they may come 6 member with a demand, 7 member, 1000 members, 1 crore member. We don't know how many customers will come to the shop. So for that what we do, we'll take it as 1 minus probability of X. If it is greater than, then we take its reverse implication, that is less than. Here equal to 4 is excluded, so here we'll take equal to 4. Therefore it is nothing but 1 minus probability of X equal to 0 plus X equal to 1 plus probability of X is equal to 2 plus probability of X is equal to 3 plus probability of X is equal to 4. This has to be calculated. Therefore probability of X greater than 4 is equal to 1 minus, you can see here, substitute here. So e raised to minus 2.5 will be quite common term. Then it is, if it is 0, then it is 2.5 raised to 0 by 0 factorial, plus if it is 1, then it is 2.5 raised to 1 by 1 factorial. If it is 2, then it is 2.5 raised to 2 by 2 factorial. If it is 3, then it is 2.5 raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial. If it is 4, then it is 2.5 raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. This is the calculation. So it is 1 minus e raised to minus 2.5 common, then this is 1, this is 2.5, then calculate the further things. Then it is 2.5 the square divided by 2 plus 2.5 the cube divided by 6 plus 2.5 raised to 4 divided by 24. This is the case. If you calculate all together, then it becomes 0.10882. This is the probability of X greater than 4. Means what it is? 10.8% of the chances are there where he'll get chance to refuse the demand. That is a very good situation for businessman. It is a quite interesting example, I feel, because in this example you can see, if this example is related to a business person where there are 2 chances, where there was no demand, that is a very bad situation for a business person, and where there is a demand had to be refused, means it is a very, very fruitful situation to the businessman. And these 2 situations are very rare in a business. These are not quite often, every time. They won't come anytime. Sometimes they come. This situation comes only when there will be a band, there will be a lockdown, there will be a situation where the people won't go to shop. This is the situation where the supply is limited, where the people every day they come and every day they get. So these situations are very rare. Because of that, you can see there is a 8% of the chance where there will be a no demand at all for a material, and second is 10% of the chance where all the material will be sold and he can say the customer that I don't have material to give, everything is over. This is 10%, that is 8%. Means if you take these two situations, here there is a chance that 90% of the time he has 4, means he may give all 4 or he may give less than 4 generators. There is a 8% of the chance that that time no generator will be given to others. Means at least one generator will be sold. So this is the situation. Thank you.